His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa officially opens the 7th annual SADC Industrialization Week in Harare as a precursor to the upcoming SADC Summit. Sarabita mashoko ataona zvinzi awa mutungamiri wenyika ano-opena officially the Industrialization Week kuti vasubscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tipita namunyu kwa mchinzi, he urged the SADC member states to increase investments in technology, innovation, research and development. To achieve this, he urged the repurposing of yesteryear institutions to be relevant for the future. The President hammered on the need to revamp the SADC region's educational system towards bridging the technology gap and catching up with the modern global trends. Let us deliberate, systematic and surgically focused to graduate from being factor-driven to investment-driven and ultimately knowledge-based economics. Thus, can never be magical, but an incremental step-by-step, brick upon brick, and stone upon stone process. Doma shokantokwa nemutungamiri wenyika ayo achiopena the Industrialization Week ayo officially yakaitwa muzara nezuro. Tibotudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe-speech yakadeliver ayo achitaura in front of the SADC block nema-head of states akabva kune nyika dzakasiyana-siyana. Tudze mafunguro enyu pine comment section medu, musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.